Dive into your dream staycation this summer with Savannah Deep. Imagine donning your snorkel mask and dive fins right in your backyard. The Savannah Deep is a stunning, deep-end swimming pool offering a voluminous space for all your aquatic adventures. Its beauty is as delightful as the playful memories you'll create with each plunge. The 8.2 inches deep end isn't just a pool feature, but a platform for backyard athleticism. From deepwater games to aerobic lap swimming in its compact 8.125 inches length, the opportunities are as vast as the sea. Feeling tired after your swim? The Savannah Deep offers a convenient deep-end swim-out bench, perfectly designed for those little breaks. Located opposite the shallow end steps, it's a haven for catching your breath and prepping for the next aquatic round. Parents, we've got you covered too. The deep-end bench is an excellent space for you to guide your little future Olympians through their swimming lessons. Plus, it serves as a safety feature for effortless pool entrance and exit. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.